Oh, sure, Charlotte. You just want to show me the ropes. You just want to give me a leg up to the bottom rung of that little ladder called success. Oh, yeah. Come on, Rimshaw. We have to choose just the right ensemble. Nah, too formal for dinner. The perfect choice. European styling with a decidedly American flair. Charlotte has more than a professional interest in yours truly, and who can blame her? I've never understood why I had such a profound effect on women, but why argue with success? Yeah, I'm a man who has just found his parking space in the fast lane.